You can run the clash test in Navisworks, but the fix happens here in Revit. Samurai Gen Interference Pro. Clash detection, run, and closed out without ever leaving your model. There are two ways to use it, and they answer two different questions. Simple is a one-shot check you run while you model. Advanced is the standing test matrix. Start with the simple check. Interference Pro sits on the Samurai ribbon. Open it, and you land in simple mode. Document A is what you're checking. Document B is what you check it against. Your active model and every link inside it. Point B at the MEP link, and its categories load with live counts. Type to filter. Beams on one side, pipes on the other. Then run the check. 12 clashes in 2 seconds. Each row is a pair, both IDs, both categories, the overlap volume. Now look at them one by one. Double-click a clash, and it isolates in the Samurai 3D view. Sectioned, isolated, framed on the pair. Orbit to the angle that explains it, then capture. That shot replaces the automatic render in the Excel report and in the BCF. Do it where it matters. The rest are rendered for you. Then turn it into something you can send. Export Excel writes one row per clash. With screenshots on, every clash is rendered in a temporary 3D view. IDs, types, categories, both model names, and the overlap volume. And an isolated view of every single clash. That is your record. It goes in the issue pack. Export BCF writes the same 12 clashes as a BCF 2.1 issue. Drop it in the folder your team shares. And this is where they pick it up. BCF Manager reads that folder and lists every issue in it. Filter by your discipline, filter by status, and you only see what is yours. Open an issue, and every clash comes with its snapshot and both element IDs. Update its status and reply in a comment. Now the part that scales. Advanced mode saves the work instead of throwing it away. It starts with search sets, rule-based selections saved in the model. Name it, put in a discipline folder, and add the rules. Category equals structural framing, and the source file is the structural model. 116 beams. Agree the naming once, and every model on the job reads the same. Folder is the discipline code. The set name is what it holds. The test is a versus B. Build the other side the same way. Pipes from the MEP link. 942 of them counted live. 2 sets. That pair is now permanent. A clash test is just those 2 sets plus a tolerance. 25 millimeters hard clash capped at 2,000 results. Beams versus pipes. Saved. Run it, and the results come back with a status on every clash. 11 new. None active, none resolved, none approved. Penetration depth and volume per pair. That status is the whole point of advanced mode. Rerun next week, and it survives. Only genuinely new clashes come back as new. So how do you run this as a team? And this is what kills the email thread. Not the pipe near grid C, clash for both IDs, a snapshot, and a status. Before anything leaves the office, one gate. Test rerun today. 0 new clashes over tolerance. Everything else owned, statused, and written down. Interference Pro is completely free. comment, and share. Leave your email, and I'll send you the download link. Plenty more free Samurai tools inside. Samurai Gen. Build smarter.